Are you tired of spending endless hours manually calculating student grades, tracking attendance, and writing individual performance reports? Stop doing double work. Welcome to the Ultimate Class Grading and Analytics Studio, a complete automated classroom management system built for Google Sheets and Excel. In this video, we're going to do a deep dive walkthrough covering how to set up custom formula weights, enter raw marks, generate live cohort analytics, use automated action buttons, and send individual report cards to parents in just one click. By the end of this 8-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform raw student marks into executive-level analytics while saving hours of grading frustration. Let's get started. Before we dive into data entry, let's take a quick look at how to navigate through the spreadsheet. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find neatly organized sheet tabs designed for quick access. You can instantly jump between sections without any confusion. This clean and straightforward tab layout keeps your workspace structured, effortless to manage, and quick to navigate during busy work hours. Step 1 is your Settings tab. This is the central engine of the entire system. Here you can fully customize your assessment weights based on your syllabus. Whether your assignments are worth 20%, quizzes 10%, midterms 30%, or final exams 40%, simply type them in. The sheet includes built-in verification that flags red if your total doesn't equal 100%. Next is your institutional grading matrix. You can adjust cutoff percentages for A+, A, B, and F letter grades. Finally, set your system risk triggers, for instance, setting any attendance below 75% or score below 60% to trigger automated at-risk warnings. Everything else across the entire studio references these rules automatically. Now let's dive into the Raw Marks Input tab. This is where the real magic happens on a daily basis. All you have to do is type in your student names, attendance, raw scores, and parent emails. Now watch this closely. As soon as you enter a number, the template instantly talks to your Settings tab, computes the weighted score, and assigns the final letter grade automatically. Zero complex formulas, zero stress, and no manual copying needed. Once your raw scores are entered, head over to the main dashboard for complete cohort analytics. At a single glance, you get high-level executive KPIs, total active students, class mean score, average attendance, and overall pass percentage. To the right, dynamic charts automatically update to visualize grade distributions from A+ to F. Notice this Risk Alert Flags box? The spreadsheet automatically flags any student falling below your passing or attendance thresholds in high contrast red. Plus, check out the Top Performers Leaderboard. It dynamically ranks your top 3 students in real time, perfect for recognizing academic excellence or presenting data during principal and departmental reviews. Whenever you update grades, all charts and metrics sync automatically in real time. What if a parent comes in for a meeting and wants to see only their child's progress? Go to the Student Profile Finder tab. Simply click the interactive drop-down menu and select any student's name from your roster. Boom! The entire sheet dynamically updates to show that specific students' ID, attendance percentage, final calculated grade, weighted performance score, and an itemized breakdown of raw marks versus assigned weights. Even better, click the Export PDF Report action button at the top to instantly generate a clean, print-ready single-page student transcript ready to give to parents or file away in student records. For educators who want ultimate automation, this system integrates directly with Google Apps Script. When you're ready to dispatch grades, simply head over to the Raw Marks Input tab and click the Send Bulk Email Reports action button. The automated script will immediately package each student's profile card and send individual performance emails directly to their parents' inboxes. Then, switch over to the Email and Sync Logs tab to monitor your broadcasts. Every transmission automatically logs the exact timestamp, student name, recipient address, and delivery status feedback, giving you a complete audit-proof record showing exactly when every report was sent. This ultimate class grading and analytics studio is designed to save you hours of administrative frustration, automate your student progress tracking, and give you back your weekends. It works seamlessly in both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. You can download this exact template right now from the link in the description below. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more productivity tools, and drop a comment below letting us know what spreadsheet dashboard we should build next. Thank you for watching, and happy